Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the icon size in GIMP. So when we load up GIMP software, we'll do that now. I'm using the latest version. You'll notice that these icons up here are quite small, and sometimes it can be a little bit tricky to pick or to understand what they are because they're quite small. So you can go to edit and go to preferences here, and when you go to preferences you want to click on icon theme here. And then you want to select customize icon size, custom icon size here. And normally if you just expand these you can see which one works best for you. But I think something like large, I think huge is a bit too big. I think large is pretty good, or medium. I think medium's fine, but small for me is a bit too small. So I'm going to set it to medium and then click OK. Now you can see the icons a bit better and you can select them a bit easier. I find this to be a bit better when I'm using GIMP software. Okay, so that's how you go about changing the icon sizes in GIMP. So if you're having trouble seeing these or recognizing what they are, that's how you can change them. Okay, I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.